Students, we'll continue with the problem. The figure below shows a feedback control system. The peak overshoot to a step input is 12%. Determine the following. 1. Resonant peak MR and value of K. 2. Normalized resonant frequency omega R. 3. Bandwidth. This is a system given. Okay, R of S is input, C of S is output, unity feedback. Then G of S is given, K divided by S into bracket S plus 4. So we'll go for the solution. Solution. Given G of S is equal to K divided by S into bracket S plus 4, H of S is 1. So C of S by R of S is equal to K divided by S into bracket S plus 4 by 1 plus K divided by S into bracket S plus 4 into 1. So which is equal to K divided by S square plus 4S by S square plus 4S plus K by S square plus 4S. So C of S by R of S is equal to K divided by S square plus 4S plus K. I'll take this as equation 1. Comparing equation 1 with standard function, C of S by R of S is equal to omega n square by S square plus 2 damping ratio omega ns plus omega n square. We have omega n square is equal to K. Due to that, omega n will come equal to root of K. I'll take this as equation 2. So 2 damping ratio omega n is equal to 4. Damping ratio will come 4 divided by 2 root K. Okay, omega n is root of K. Due to that, damping ratio is 4 divided by 2 root K. Now we know that whatever is the maximum peak overshoot is given is 12%. So we have MP is equal to e raised to minus pi damping ratio by root of 1 minus damping square into 100. So 0.12 is equal to e raised to minus pi damping ratio by root of 1 minus damping square into 100. So we'll take natural log on both sides. Ln 0.12 is equal to minus pi damping ratio by root of 1 minus damping square. So it will come equal to minus 2.120 is equal to minus pi damping ratio by root of 1 minus damping square. 2.120 by pi is equal to damping ratio by root of 1 minus damping square. 0.6748 is equal to damping ratio by root of 1 minus damping ratio square. Taking squares on both sides, 0.4553 is equal to damping by root of 1 minus damping square the whole square. So 0.4533 is equal to damping square by root of 1 minus damping square the square. 0.4533 into 1 minus damping square, because it is square of the square root, is equal to damping square. So 0.4533 minus 0.4533 damping square is equal to damping square. 0.4533 is equal to damping square plus 0.4533 damping square. So 0.4533 is equal to is equal to is equal to 1.4533 damping square. So damping square is equal to 0.4533 by 1.4533, which is 0.312. So damping ratio is equal to 0.559. To find K, we'll consider equation 3. Damping square is 4 divided by 2 root K. So taking squares on both sides, damping square is 4 by 2 root K whole square. Okay. So you understood how I got 1.45. Damping square plus 0.4533 damping square is nothing but 1.4533. So what we'll get? Damping square is 4 square divided by 4 into root of k whole square. So damping square is 1 by 4. Sorry, damping square is 16 by 4k. 4 square is 16. 16 by 4 root of k square is k. 16 by 4k. So 4k is equal to 16 by damping square. K is equal to 16 divided by 4 damping square. So which is equal to 16 divided by 4 into 0.559 square. So k is 12.80. From equation 2 we have omega n is equal to root of k. So omega n is root of 12.8. Omega n is 3.578 radians per second. Resonant peak MR. MR is equal to 1 by 2 damping ratio into root of 1 minus damping square, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 0.559 into root of 1 minus 0.559 square. So MR is 1.078. Resonant frequency omega R. Omega R is equal to omega n root of 1 minus 2 damping square. So substitute the values of omega and damping ratio. So it comes to be 1.078. Okay, 1.08. Resonant frequency omega R is, we have omega R is equal to omega n root of 1 minus 2 damping square. So substitute the values, you'll get omega R is equal to 2.191 radians per second. So bandwidth omega B is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus 2 damping square plus root of 2 minus 4 damping square plus 4 damping raised to 4. So substituting the values, you'll get omega B is equal to 4.298 radians per second. Okay. Stop.